On today's menu, a flavor-packed recipe you'll really soak up. Spicy braised eggplant.
Lei Hou Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. If you like Asian plant-based recipes, you'll love my vegan ramen cookbook, and I also have a free ebook that you can download in the link above or a link in the description box below. Now this eggplant recipe is one of my favorites and it's so easy to make.
Slice your eggplant into wedges.
Now normally I make these with Chinese eggplants, but they were sold out, so I'm gonna have to make do.
Two to 3 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. 3 sticks green onion, chopped.
We're just gonna get our sauce ready to go.
2 tablespoons cane sugar. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon Korean pepper powder. Mix. Saute pan. Medium-high heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Add your eggplant when the pan just starts to smoke.
And we're just trying to get some really nice color on those eggplants.
Garlic. Saute for 5 minutes. Green onion. Sauce. Half cup water. Deglaze and cover the pan, cook on medium for 5 minutes.
While we wait, we're gonna crush some amazing roasted peanuts.
1 tablespoon roasted peanuts. Crush.
You have just got to take a look at this.
Plate. Green onion. Peanuts. You can now make this amazing spicy braised eggplant with absolute confidence.
Just look at how much flavor there is there. My gosh. The sauce literally just gets absorbed by that eggplant. That is really just phenomenal. That is so packed with flavor. Spicy, it's sweet, it's salty, and has that little bit of a crunch from those amazing roasted peanuts. Enjoy this with a side of amazing rice, and that is game over. That is just incredible. Definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.